Imagine turning on a shower and getting hot water almost immediately. Imagine not having to wait for warm water to wash your hands. You can do both with the Suburban Nautilus RL demand water heater. The Nautilus RL is a water heater designed not only to provide endless hot water on demand, but it also features a unique recirculation loop that helps ensure that when you turn on the tap, the water is already hot. Why a recirculation loop? The ideal location for a water heater in an RV is arguably the center, but it can be located in almost any location. And if the water heater is located in the very back and the tap is located in the very front, it will take time for the instantaneously heated water in the back to get to the tap in the front. That's a lot of time and a lot of wasted water. That's where the recirculation loop comes in. How does it work? There is an internal pump that moves hot water through the recirculation loop that will maintain hot water at all of the plumbing fixtures. A half-gallon internal storage tank is the reservoir that maintains the water near the set point temperature. By keeping a steady supply of heated water in the line, the Nautilus RL makes hot water rapidly available. Open the tap, and not only is the water hot, as long as you have a supply of water, your hot water is endless. The Nautilus RL is a microprocessor-controlled demand water heater that features self-modulating operation from 15,000 to 60,000 BTUs per hour and precise temperature control from 95 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it features two built-in freeze protection features: powered, requiring both gas and electric power supply, and non-powered, with a thermally sensitive freeze valve designed to drain the unit if the water reaches 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the Nautilus RL is easy with the Suburban Nautilus control panel. Simply turn the unit on. Adjust the set temperature up or down. The recirculation pump can be turned on or off depending on your preferences, and the indicator will blink until the water in the recirculation system reaches your set temperature. Winterizing is identical to the traditional Nautilus model. Simply turn the drain valve located on the Nautilus RL unit and let the water drain out of your system. Please follow all winterization steps as shown in the manual. You'll enjoy endless hot water almost immediately with the Suburban Nautilus RL demand water heater.